Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to remove new login attempt on Roblox. So firstly, just as an example, we will log into our Roblox ID with a new browser. So in the search panel of the new browser, we'll type roblox.com, then head to the website. Now click on a login. After that, we have to just input our email and password in here. Then click on the login button. After click on the logging in button, if we go to our email address that is associated with our Roblox ID, we will see that a mail will be appeared from a Roblox by opening it, which will say that a new login attempt has been made from an example device. And if it was me or not, if I click on no, it was not me, then the logging attempt will be ceased and the account will be logged out. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.